Precautions before unpacking. When we receive the equipment, we should first check whether there is any damage outside the wooden box. If there is any damage, please contact us in time. Unboxing. 1. Use the box opening tool and bar hexagon socket to open the wooden box. 2. First take out the parts from the bottom of the bed. Follow the video instructions. Bend the slings on the front and rear sides of the machine. Use a forklift to lift the machine vertically and place the machine on a flat ground after lifting and leaving the goods below. 3. Remove the package. Check the machine parts according to the parts listed in the toolbox and prepare to install the machine. Install before booting. 1. Lift the gantry with a forklift. Align the grooves on both sides of the slide block with the guide rail and insert it accurately. This step requires professional forklift technicians. If damage occurs, the accuracy of the machine will be affected. 2. Fix bar screws on each of the left and right rails according to the position shown in the figure. 20 square rails use M5 hexagonal screws, 25 square rails use M6 hexagonal screws, and insert the oil injection pipe. 3. Push the machine to a suitable position and install the limit blocks on the left and right sides. M6 hexagon socket screws according to the position shown in the figure. 4. Install the gearbox M6 hexagon socket screws according to the position shown in the figure. There is a terminal block on the left and right sides of the gearbox, which needs to be fixedly installed cross screw. One more terminal board M5 hexagon screw is needed near the oiler. 5. According to the color of the motor wire red, green, yellow, and blue, insert the wiring terminals and tighten them with Phillips screws. You can manually pull to check whether it is fixed to prevent it from falling off during use. After installation, buckle the transparent protective shell. 6. Install the gearbox near the side of the oiler. Install the drag chain groove M5 hexagon socket screws and fix set positions according to the position shown in the figure. Install the wiring terminals according to the figure. 9. Fix the other end of the rack chain groove. 10. According to the color of the motor wire red, green, yellow, and blue, insert the wiring terminals and tighten them with Phillips screws. 'You can manually pull to check whether it is fixed to prevent it from falling off during use. After installation, buckle the transparent protective shell. 11. Install the limit sensor. 12. Install the earlier M5 hexagon socket screw and insert the oil pipe. 13. Install the spindle according to the position shown in the figure M5 hexagon socket screw. 14. Install the spindle protective cover M5 hexagon socket screw according to the position shown in the figure. 'Connect the spindle chassis and the inlet and outlet pipe nuts. 15. Remove the protective cover of the power box. Connect the wires according to the voltage on the label. 'And install the protective cover of the power box. 16. Connect the signal line of the DSP system. If it is a Wi-Fi system, you also need to connect the signal line. 17. Install the protective cover of the chassis and lock the two locks. 18. After fixing the protective cover of the chassis, insert the aviation plug, and the aviation plug corresponds one by one according to the label. Install after boot. 1. Turn on the power. Do not return axis to 0. Shake the two ends of the beam with your hands. If there is a gap, you need to tighten the gearbox until there is no gap when it shakes. 2. All tests are returned to 0. After the test returns to 0, the sheet metal can be installed. Install the motor protection covers on the left and right sides and 5 hexagon circuit screws according to the position shown in the figure. Install the dust-proof strip according to the position shown in the figure. There are 6 pieces on the left and right sides. The longest and medium ones are installed in the order of length and short. They are fixed on the top of the guide rail and 5 hexagon circuit screws. And the shortest 2 are fixed on the left and right on the side motor protection cover.